So I've covered lockable power cables before, and you've seen me dangle a firewall off of one of these. And I got handed the IEC lockable power cable the other day, and just thought it was actually quite interesting. It's not normally the C13 end actually that is of interest. It's the difference between the two with the C14 end. So that's the male end, and it's how they both choose to operate their lock. You can see here that the IEC lock one is a clip-based system, so that would be into the back of into the PDU or the UPS, and its clips obviously hold it in. Whereas the Zonit one uses a friction-based lock that winds in and actually grips the power cable internally. I don't think you can just see the clips in there, but I thought I'd show you actually. We use the Zonits because we prefer them because they're a bit more flexible. To use this, you need a device that actually has the holes for these to clip into, and they don't always have them, whereas the Zonit one doesn't do it. And just as a quick demonstration of why, again, I thought I'd one-up myself. So this is a Zonit IEC C13 C14 lockable power cable. And you can see here it's actually just connected to just a standard C13 that I've got dangling from the roof. And there's the lockable end. And what can I hang on it? Well, what about an R710 via its power supplies? You know, just for fun. And just to kind of prove, actually, this is where things like this sometimes are quite useful. So I'm not just going to drop it, obviously, because that's shock loading. But there you go. That's how you can mount your R710s. That's a fully loaded R710. There's hard disks and everything in that. But that's why we use the Zonits, because that's gripping both ends. Just something fun to do, you know. And to compare, obviously, this is the IEC lock unit, and it's locked in there. And it is taking the load, although, interestingly, this is the second time I've plugged it in. The first time, it came out. So, hold on, let me just get a better grip of it. So the IEC lock one will grip it as well, but only the newer version.